Right, we're here on a longboard hike.
We got lost.
But
we found a lawnmower.
Look what we found. Robot lawnmower.
We're robots. We were out on an average longboard hike and we found a robot.
Does it turn?
Look, watch this.
Oh.
It's got no handles.
It's not cutting anything now.
It's not doing it.
It's not.
I'm zooming in.
It's not doing anything. Maybe it's going home.
Really
No
bad
handles.
quality. It's going home.
Look at that.
It's gonna smash into something.
It's not doing anything. Going into... Right, done.
Okay, calm down.
Oh no, it turned.
It's not even moving.
That is cool, even though it doesn't work.